fix Messenger login problem. So to fix a Messenger login problem, the first thing what you can do is check your internet connection. Just scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to fix sudden connection blocks. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Messenger app, and if you see an update button available right here instead of open, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is, and if you are on Android device, go to phone settings, find Messenger under apps and clear its storage cache. Now the next what you can do is reinstall the app. Just go to the existing Messenger app on your device, tap and hold on it, then tap remove app from the menu. Now to confirm, tap delete app, then go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store, find the Messenger app and then reinstall it from there. You can also log into your account via a phone browser to bypass unexpected error messages or complete a security check. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.